Hey YouTube, Annie here again from Premium Wrap. In this video we have a Mercedes CLA from 2017, I guess. As you see, it's already wrapped. Satin black, from white to black, with the gloss black accents. Already fully done. So just like previous video, I will take you back to the first day of the week where this car entered the shop. I did a full wash, full clay bar, full wrap. As you saw, you didn't see any white on the outside. I did the gloss black roof. Yeah, so I'm just gonna shut up and let you enjoy the video. Bye. Sadly, I had to wrap apart without filming it because my phone, its memory was full, so I had to delete some videos again. That's why I didn't record the trunk and the back bumper, but I'll turn the camera and walk you through. So, I wrapped the trunk, not in one piece. I did this part and then the upper part. This part and that one is in one piece, so there is no seam here. There is right there, but that's no problem. And then the back bumper is also not in one piece, but I did a few inlays. Now I'm going to the side. I think these are the last pieces, so I have this part right here, the two doors, the door handles, the fender, and the hood. As you see, the front bumper is already done, and this whole side is also done. This is my non-filming side to get ahead on the deadline. I did the door handles in glossy black to match with the window trim and the gloss black wheels, the gloss black mirror caps, just the gas cap, whatever you like to call it, needs to be wrapped, and then the lights need to get back in. So yeah, I'm ahead of schedule. As you see, I'm warming up the panels because it's a little chill here, but I'm ahead of schedule. I like to finish today is the whole side, the two doors and door handles, and then maybe the fender and the hood for tomorrow. But I'm gonna see where I'm getting. All right, let's set up the camera again and get you back through it. Yes, the cinematics of this video is inside the shop because it's fucking raining outside. The weather is kind of shit to go outside and video everything and take pictures. So that's why I'm doing it inside, so the customer gets his car back clean when he picks it up this day. So while this is done and ready for pickup, I already have the next project with me for a full front PPF. Not sure if I'm gonna do a video about it. Maybe, maybe not. I think so. We'll see. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like always, give me a like, give me a comment, give me a follow, social media, YouTube, whatever fits your needs, and I will see you until the next video. Bye!